We offer a new, very economical DC electric motor technology. They are 86% more economical than regular electric motors. DC low-power economical engines have been developed by our engineers with the aim of reducing electricity consumption. They can be easily integrated into various ventilation systems, private homes, apartment houses, shops, and elsewhere. Can be connected to various common network control systems. At the left, you can see regular electric motor with 40 watts of electric consumption. At the right is magnetic motor, powered from batteries with 3.7 watts of electric consumptions. That makes it 86% more economical. Here is a larger model that can be used in industrial ventilation systems. 66 watts with blade diameter 46 centimeters.